Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Anmol Tiwari and today we are going to talk about some of the international events that fall in the month of June. So without further delay, let's get started. But first, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon and do follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The link is in description below. So the first event which falls in the month of June is on 4th of June, International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression. Since 1982, this day is to acknowledge the pain suffered by children throughout the world who are the victims of physical, mental and emotional abuse. The theme for the year 2020 was Stop Attacks on Children. Coming to 5th of June, World Environment Day. Since 1974, this day is celebrated for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment and the environmental issues emerging from human population, marine population, global warming, and etc. The theme for the year 2020 was Time for Nature. Coming to 8th of June, World Ocean Day. This day supports the implementation of worldwide sustainable development goals and foster public interest in the management of the ocean and its resources. The theme for the year 2020 was Innovation for a Sustainable Ocean. Coming to 12th June, World Day Against Child Labor. Since 2002, this day aims to raise awareness and activism to prevent child labor. This day brings together governments, local authorities, civil societies, international workers, and employers' organizations to point out the child labor problem and defines the guidelines to help child laborers. The theme for the year 2020 was Children from Child Labor Now More Than Ever. Coming to 14th June, World Blood Donor Day. Since 2005, this day is to raise awareness for the need to save blood and blood products and to thank blood donors for their saving gifts of blood. The theme for the year 2020 was Save Blood, Saves Lives. Coming to 15th June, World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. This day aims to focus global attention on the problem of physical, emotional, and financial abuse of elders. It also seeks to understand the challenges and opportunities presented by an aging population and also to develop elder-friendly policies. Next event falls on 16th June, International Integration Day, which is a financial concept in which countries have a greater number of financial transactions, investments, and interests outside their borders. This day encourages people towards unity, peace, love, and brotherhood, promoting harmony amongst people despite diversity of the society in cultures, languages, religion, and geographical boundaries. Coming to 17 June, World Day to Combat Desertification and Drought. Since 1995, this day is to raise awareness for the presence of desertification and drought and also highlighting methods of preventing desertification and recovering from drought. The theme for the year 2020 was Food, Feed and Fiber. Coming to 19th June, World Sickle Cell Day. Since 2008, this day recognizes sickle cell disease as a public health problem and one of the world's foremost genetic disease. Sickle cell disorders are a group of illness which affect a person's red blood cells. The theme for the year 2020 was Shine the Light of Sickle Cell. Coming to 28 June, World Refugee Day. Since year 2000, this day is dedicated to raise awareness for the situations of refugees throughout the world. The theme for the year 2020 was Every Action Counts. Coming to 21st June, World Music Day. This day is to honor amateurs and professional musicians and to encourage them to showcase their work. Over 120 countries celebrate World Music Day by organizing free public concerts in parks and other public places. The event was cancelled this year due to the global pandemic situation. Coming to 23rd June, which recognizes two international events. The first event is United Nations Public Service Day. This day is to celebrate the value and virtue of public service to the society and community. This day also marks the anniversary of the adaptation of the International Labour Organization. The theme for the year 2020 was Action Today, Impact Tomorrow. Coming to second event which falls on the same day is International Olympics Day. Since 1894, this day is recognized to mark the importance of games and sports in our lives and to promote participation in games and sports across the world, irrespective of gender, caste or religion. The theme for the year 2020 was Move, Learn and Discover. Coming to 26 June, which again recognizes two international events. First is International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Since 1989, this day is recognized to raise voice against drug abuse and illegal drug trade. It is often referred as Anti-Drug Day. The theme for the year 2020 was Better Knowledge for Better Care. The second event, which falls on the same day, is International Day in support of victims of torture. Since 1999, this day is recognized against the crime of torture and to honor and support victims and survivors throughout the world. Lastly, every third Sunday of June is celebrated as International Father's Day to thank the fathers for their love and to tell them how much we love them. So that was all for the video, guys. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe. All the information of the video is given in the description box below. You can read it from there, and I will show a chart of all the international events. You can take a screenshot of it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.